Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to turn on dark mode on YouTube. It's super easy and we'll make sure you'll get it right. Just make sure you're logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. First, you have to open YouTube, then click on upper right corner. Now click on settings. Now click on journal. Now click on appearance. Now click on dark theme. Your theme has been changed. I hope you have found in value in this video. If you want to grab freebies, want to explore fantastic sample offers, and want to get exclusive coupons, spinning, and wide range of products from cutting edge gadgets to beauty essentials, then watch the video you are seeing on the end screen. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.